Looking for a water purifier but tired of regular maintenance hassles? Livpure brings to you India's largest range of maintenance-free water purifiers. This is Allura Prime. It comes with 2 years of free maintenance service warranty. Whether it's filter change or RO membrane replacement, Livpure takes care of it. No charges, no questions asked, no hidden costs. Just 100% pure drinking water and 0% hassles. And these smart LED indicators tell you exactly what's going on with your purification status, tank full, and more. Livpure brings its years of expertise and technology with 10-stage advanced purification. Every drop is deeply purified. And it doesn't stop there. The Copper 29 cartridge gives you the goodness of natural copper, the Mineralizer restores essential minerals, and the Alkaline cartridge balances the water's pH for better health. So why settle for less? Allura Prime. 100% pure drinking water, 0% hassles.